everyone, my name is Brittany from Tackle It with Brit here on YouTube, and today I am here with HomeGlow, and I will be sharing 5 hacks that everyone should know. If you're anything like me, you are always looking for ways to simplify your cleaning routine, and today I'm really excited to be sharing 5 really easy hacks that help keep your home in order, especially on those busy days. Starting off with hack number 1, and this is tackling these small spaces. I'm talking about the cracks in windowsills and sliding glass doors. If your vacuum did not come with the crevice tool attachment, or maybe you misplaced it, which is really easy to do, I have found that attaching a tumbler, lid, and straw, which most people have around their home these days, to the end of the vacuum can really help get into those narrow, tight spaces. For hack number 2, we are moving on to keyboards, which can surprisingly get dirty. For this hack, all you're going to need is your dirty keyboard and some packing tape. Cover the entire keyboard with tape, flip over the keyboard, give it a little tap, shake it out, and all of the dust, dirt, and crumbs are going to get stuck to the packing tape. You lift off the tape and voila, your keyboard is clean. This simple trick can keep your workspace neat and functional. Moving on to hack number 3, as a pet owner, dealing with fur is a constant struggle in my home. I used to go through way too many lint rollers until I discovered this trick, and the trick is to use rubber gloves. For this hack, all you have to do is put on some rubber gloves, dampen them slightly with just a little bit of water, and then rub your hands over any surfaces with pet hair, chairs, couches, small area rugs. The fur sticks right onto the rubber gloves, so this makes it a quick cleanup for small target areas. It is super easy and you don't have to haul out the entire vacuum to get the pet hair removed. For hack number 4, I'm going to share the best way to clean your cast iron pans. Cleaning a seasoned cast iron pan without harming it can be a bit tricky. My go-to is using a handful of sea salt, a little bit of dish soap, some water, and a sponge. These ingredients mixed together help scrub the pan nice and clean without harming the seasoned surface. Last but not least, we are on to hack number 5, and this is a simplified way of doing the dishes. This is one of my favorite kitchen hacks. You are going to take a small ice tray, pour some dish soap into the ice tray, and let it freeze overnight. Take one of your favorite kitchen sponges, cut a small slit into the side, and then when the dish soap is frozen, take a cube out and stick it inside of your sponge. As you wash your dishes, the soap will slowly melt, letting out just the right amount of soap so you can continue scrubbing. It is such a simple way to avoid wasting any soap or the need to stop washing your dishes to reapply the soap to the sponge. Of course, you can always save time on all of your cleaning tasks with the professionals on Home Aglow. Find a top-rated and affordable cleaner in your area to do the work for you. So those are 5 of my top cleaning hacks that are sure to make a real difference around your home. I hope that these hacks make your chores quicker and easier like they have for me. If you enjoyed today's video and would like to see more hacks and tips like these, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. We'll see you again soon. Bye.